Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fly High with English. Let's start daily sentences. मी रोज सकाळी अर्धा तास ज्ञानेश्वरी वाचतो. I read the ज्ञानेश्वरी for half an hour every day in the morning. I read the ज्ञानेश्वरी for half an hour every day in the morning. ते येणार आहेत हे जर आम्हाला माहिती असते तर आम्ही स्वादिष्ट जेवण बनविले असते. If we had known they were coming, we would have prepared a delicious meal. If we had known they were coming, we would have prepared a delicious meal. जीवन अनिश्चित आहे. Life is so uncertain. Life is so uncertain. मला भांडी घासायला आवडत नाही. I don't like washing dishes. I don't like washing dishes. आम्ही वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टींवर चर्चा केली. We discussed on various topics. We discussed on various topics. पुढच्या वर्षी तो 18 वर्षांचा असेल. He will be 18 years old next year. He will be 18 years old next year. या घाणेरड्या कपड्याने आत येऊ नको. Don't come inside with these dirty clothes. Don't come inside with these dirty clothes. त्यांनी तुला सल्ला दिला का? Did they advise you? Did they advise you? या दिवाळीत आम्ही घराला रंग देणार आहोत. We will paint the house this Diwali. We will paint the house this Diwali. तिने डॉक्युमेंट्सवर सह्या केल्या का? Did she sign the documents? Did she sign the documents? केक कोणी बनविला? Who made a cake? Who made a cake? मी नवीन रेसिपी शिकत आहे. I'm learning a new recipe. I'm learning a new recipe. ते खूप महाग आहे. That is very expensive. That is very expensive. रोज सकाळी तू योगा प्रॅक्टिस करतो का? Did you practice yoga every morning? Did you practice yoga every morning? ही बस कोठे जाते? Where does this bus lead to? Where does this bus lead to? Like, share and subscribe.